you think you need a new asphalt roof but have no idea where to start? Is an asphalt roof the right one for you? In this video, I'm going to teach you the basics of asphalt roofs, why they are the most common roof type, and why an asphalt roof may or may not be the right one for you. We will go over how long an asphalt roof should last, what factors determine the cost, and help you feel more comfortable making your decision for a new roof. I'm Jay Bretz, the CEO of Excel Roofing. We have served over 55,000 customers since 1993, and we're here to give you all the information you need to decide what is the best roof for you. About 75% of all roofs in the United States are asphalt shingles. If you're considering a new roof for your home, there's probably a 75% chance you will choose an asphalt shingle to roof your home. Asphalt shingles come in a wide variety of styles and colors. One of the main reasons asphalt shingles are so popular is because they are the most economical roof available. However, certain types of asphalt shingles are very fancy and can get very expensive. The cost to put a new asphalt shingle roof on your home ranges anywhere from $12,000 to $20,000. Same home that may cost $20,000 to use a standard asphalt shingle may cost up to $40,000 using one of these super fancy shingles. The biggest downside to asphalt shingles is their short life expectancy. The expected life of an asphalt shingle is anywhere from 15 to 30 years. Another downside to asphalt shingles is they are easily damaged by hail. In Colorado, where I'm at, the average life expectancy of an asphalt roof is between 5 to 10 years. This is because of the amount of hailstorms that we get. What factors causes a roof to be more expensive? Limited access to your home. If we're not able to pull a dump trailer up next to your home or use a conveyor truck to put the bundles of shingles on the top of your roof, this causes the job to be more expensive. If we have to throw the old shingles on the ground and then haul them to a dump trailer and then hand carry the bundles of shingles up a ladder to the top of the roof, this additional labor will cause the job to be more expensive. If we cannot comfortably walk on your roof because it's so steep, the job will be more expensive. Steep roofs are difficult to work on and will cause the job to take longer than normal because of the difficulty working on this steep slope. As you can imagine, this causes the cost of labor to increase, which makes the job more expensive. Why are some bids cheaper than others? Normally, if you're comparing apples to apples, the prices will be close. Some contractors will be cheaper because they're cutting corners by using cheaper materials. They may not have a license or insurance. If a contractor ever asks you to go to the building department and pull the homeowner permit, tell them no thank you and have them leave your home as quickly as possible. Some guys don't even have an office. We have an industry term for them, chuck in a truck. These are the guys that give the roofing industry a bad name. They have lots of problems during the job, and good luck if you try to get a hold of them later on because you have a warranty issue. If you'd like more information about what we think are the best asphalt shingles, please watch our video, The Best in Class, or the individual videos on our asphalt materials page. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you.